Okay, let's go over a quick tutorial how to do chapters. Chapters are linked to a product, and there are basically two templates. One template is this one, which is blocks, multiple blocks, which by the way is the default template, and the other template is just a single block with a picture on top. So to choose what template you want to use, all you have to do is one drop down. So let's go into the back panel. We're gonna go here, and then as you can see right now we have the Israel and Jordan and Egypt, and these one are the childs. So let's create another chapter. You click here, add new. I'm gonna call this Africa. Right, so then I have nothing but select and link this one to a product. Must be something named Africa. Well, I guess I spelled it wrong. Africa. So here, Trackers Hackers Guide to South Africa. So first thing you need to do is link this product that you're gonna create to a actual product, actual book. Then this is actually the parent. All you have to do right now is publish this section. So because the main section, like Africa, does not have any content, it's just like the cover. So you publish that. So now, once you do that, then you go back into add new section, and I'm gonna call this one, let's call it intro. Intro. Again, what's wrong with my spelling? Intro. So then again, we're gonna make sure that this one is linked to a product, and it's linked to Africa. So now you find it, that's the book, is linked right there. Now this one belongs to Africa. So this is the parent is Africa, and this page is the child. So there's two sections again. One, if you want to do this kind of template, which is picture on top and text on the bottom, all you have to do is scroll down, go picture on top, click here, add the gallery. You can drag and drop from your computer, or you can select multiple images. There are my gallery, upload. Then here you paste the text that you want to paste. And then this is actually the single block. Picture on top and text on the bottom is called single block. In case you have a PDF for this page, all you have to do is attach it right here. That's what I'm gonna do. Click there, attach PDF, select, and then we just make sure that we have everything covered. We got the title, we got the is linking to that product. We gotta make sure that this is the child for the Africa. We put the PDF, we have the picture on top and the text on the bottom, and we are the template selected correct. This is a single block template. Let's say that you publish this, and then we go to the next section, which is multiple blocks, which is like this one. When you click here, you have multiple sections, multiple blocks. It's loading, so it's like this: one block with one picture, one block with one picture. So I'm gonna go there, add a new one. This one is African 40 days in 14 days. Right, so then here, again, same thing I have to do is make sure that this is linked to a product, otherwise we'll be suffering. Loading, there is linked. This is also a child of Africa. As you can see right here, we have the intro now, so this is actually a child of Africa. So now we are on the same level. So if I have a chapter for this, a PDF for this chapter, I go there and upload it. But then scroll down again. In the previous template, we have the picture on top and the text on the bottom. And this template, we are actually just going to be a default. And to do the default, you have to add a row. So click add a row. Title, day one. Here you paste your content. Add the image on the left. There's that one. And let's say that you want a map for that one. Here is itinerary map. Map link here. Whatever you type here is going to be the link. So you can type whatever map for Africa in 14 days. Click here. You add the image right here, and then I'm assuming you put a map, select. So now the next thing you need to do is add another row, which is another of these blocks. So add another row. This is day 2. Same thing, put your text in there. I pasted it there, and then chapter image, self-explanatory. I'm gonna use that one, and so on and so forth. You can do as many you want. Again, and you also, if, let's say you miss the order, you can just drag and drop and reorder this. Again, this is a default template. You get your 2 rows for now. Then we have the product is linking. It's a product and it's linking. It's the parents Africa. We do have a chapter, a PDF, and then all you have to do is publish. Then to view this, all you recommend you to do is, once it's right in the server and it's done saving, right click here and then open a new link, a new tab, and this is all the work you have done. So we got the first thing, that is the intro. So we got the intro right here. We put the picture on top, and actually we have a slider with all the images that we choose to put. Then you scroll down, and that was the intro text. Then you go to, that's the template, the block template. And then let's say that we go to Africa in 14 days. Here we have one block, which is day 1. Here map link here, and then it will link, as you can see in the lower part right here, is linking to the actually map. And then day 2 is whatever we put in there, and then the image right there. And you can just move to hundreds of these blocks. One more thing that is really important that you know is, like, if this is not working for you, usually by default the problem is like you have set this to a different template. For instance, this is Africa in 14 days. If you forgot to put the template, which in this case is a default, let's say that you change it to single block and you save this, you're gonna encounter this error. So just to let you know, hit refresh. It's right in the server, and then you come here, and then that was the same itinerary. Since you messed up the template, you put any content, it's gonna show you a blank page right here. So that will be the #1 common error that you can have. So see, this is blocks. It is a default template. That was the #1 default. And then if you want it to be one picture on top and one text on the bottom, there will be a single block. And that takes care of everything. I hope this is easy. If you have any problems, let me know and I'll be happy to address it. Thank you.